Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're diving into something that could completely change how we surf the web in 2026 and beyond. Imagine a browser that doesn't just wait for you to click, but actually understands what you're doing, predicts what you need, and helps before you even ask. That's Neo, the world's first true AI native browser backed by Norton for real privacy and safety. Let's dive in. For nearly 2 decades, browsers barely evolved. Chrome, Safari, Edge, they all optimize speed and plugins, but never intelligence. Then came the AI boom of this year. Every platform tried adding AI sidebars and chat widgets and so-called AI agents, but they all felt forced and worked slow and buggy like poorly made ChatGPT wrappers with low security. Neo is different. It's not a plugin, it's a total rebuild, a browser designed around intelligence from the ground up. The moment you open Neo, you feel it. The magic box replaces the usual search bar. You can search, navigate, chat, or act all in one spot. Type summarize this page and Neo does it instantly. Type draft a reply in a friendly tone and it writes it for you. It understands intent, not just text. Then comes the AI side panel, your built-in creative partner. Let's say you're researching new AI startups. Open the panel and Neo reads the context of the article, gives you a summary, lists competitors, and can even draft a tweet thread about it. It's like having ChatGPT integrated directly into your workflow without ever switching tabs. Another killer feature is peek and summarize. Hover over any link and Neo instantly previews what's behind it. Summary, tone, key facts. So you decide whether it's worth opening. No more 50-tab chaos. This is huge for journalists, creators, and researchers who live inside browser windows. If you write a lot, the typing assistant will blow your mind. Whether you're writing on Gmail, Twitter, or YouTube comments, Neo quietly improves your grammar, adjusts tone, and makes sure your message sounds clean and natural. It's not an add-on, it's baked into the browser itself. And here's something revolutionary: configurable memory. Neo only remembers what you tell it to. You can literally say, remember I'm working on a script about robotics, or remember my preferred writing style. Later, when you open a new session, it already knows your tone and context. Every memory is visible, editable, and erasable. Total transparency, powered by Norton-grade privacy. Smart tab grouping keeps your workspace calm. If you're researching electric cars, managing emails, and shopping for lenses, Neo automatically sorts your tabs by topic, closes old ones, and keeps you focused. It's like having a digital organizer built into your browser. Then there's NeoFeed, a personalized, privacy-safe news stream that actually feels curated. It learns from your browsing on device, so no external tracking or profiling. For example, if you're following AI hardware launches or machine learning trends, Neo quietly surfaces relevant updates and removes the junk. Neo's privacy model is architectural, not marketing. You can see where your data goes, what's processed locally, what's in the cloud, what gets deleted. Every summary shows its source. When you hit clear data, it's truly gone. Norton's infrastructure makes sure nothing leaks or lingers, and this isn't theory. In early case studies, creators reported 30 to 40% faster research speed using Neo compared to Chrome or Safari. One content agency used Neo's side panel to summarize 20+ tech articles daily, saving nearly 3 hours of manual reading. Another user used configurable memory to train Neo on their writing tone, cutting their email drafting time in half. Neo fits perfectly into today's AI trend where tools are merging into single intelligent ecosystems. Just like Notion AI reinvented note-taking and Runway transformed editing, Neo is redefining browsing, turning it from passive clicking into an active collaboration. It's available now on Windows and Mac in early access, with mobile coming soon. That's going to be a big deal since Scope Sync will let your AI context follow you securely from desktop to phone. So, is Neo worth trying? Definitely. It's fast, private, and intelligent in a way that feels natural, and looks really stylish as well. Kinda reminds me of the new Apple Glass style, but also offers day and night settings. Try it, explore the peak and summarize, test how it remembers your workflow, and you'll see why many call it the first real thinking browser. AI native browsing isn't the future, it's here now, and Neo is leading the charge. Hit subscribe if you want more deep dives into tools like this. Next episode, we're comparing Neo with Arc and Copilot Edge side by side to see which truly earns its AI browser title. Stay tuned.